Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah and our walkthrough Wednesday. Today, I'm going to talk to you about all the consignment vehicles we have for sale. It's quite a selection. Join me. First is this gorgeous 2021 Atlas Tommy Bahama edition. This thing has been immaculately kept, only has 3,000 miles on it. You should come check it out. Next is this 2021 Interstate 19. It's got about 7,700 miles on it. Also exceptionally maintained. If you're looking for something small that you can take anywhere and park anywhere, this is your rig. Next, we have this 2016 25-foot rear bed, twin bed, Flying Cloud. Now we have a 2019 27 front bed International Serenity. We've also got a 2014 27-foot front bed, queen bed, Flying Cloud. We still have this 2018 27-foot Globetrotter front bed, queen bed. Here's a 2017 25-foot front bed, twin bed, Flying Cloud. It's a 2018 22-foot front bed Sport. Last but certainly not least is this 2015 19 corner bed International Signature Series. If any of those models seem interesting to you, you can find out more details about them via our website, airstreamofutah.com. We have all the photos and information about each one of those models. Better yet, stop by and check them out for yourself. We'd love to help you out and love to show you around. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.